What happens when you push a 3D printer past its limits? Welcome to the Drip King experiments, where I take everyday ideas and push them way further than they should go. In this first episode, we're starting with something simple, a basic 3D printing bridging test. But instead of printing it normally, I'm giving it that Drip King spin. I'm flipping it upside down and seeing how far I can push it. In this first attempt, we're starting with this bridging test right here, but instead of printing it laying down like this, we're going to print it upside down. So starting with that 5mm block, going up to 100. So instead of this, we're going to flip it, we're going to print it on its face like that, and there we go. Basically, asking gravity to behave. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see what happens. So far, so good. Starting to see a little bit of stringing there in the bottom corners. About as expected. Oh, and it's fallen over. So result one wasn't too bad. We had some stringing as expected. I'd call that about a solid B before gravity took over and it fell. But that means, in true Drip King style, we need to push this further. So let's take this model, let's rotate it 90 degrees. Let's see if we can print it on its end. So I'm going to go ahead and print it on that end and try to print it like this. So now the question is going to be, does this reduce the stringing or is it going to completely fall apart? All right, here we go. Let's see. Off to a good start so far. Ooh, got a little bit of stringing there. Start of each level so far. But we're beating gravity so far. Doesn't look like it's going to tip at all. Oh, we're past halfway. Keep on going. Oh! I thought we had it. Looked like we had gravity beat, but in the end, bad center of gravity took that down. All right, so now we're back to the drawing board. Now it's time to iterate. That one fell over, bad center of gravity. Let's see what happens if we make that base a little bit bigger. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make 4 copies of this. Try to combine them into a quad base. So let's see. Should have a lot more stability this time. Let's send it to the printer and see what happens. Off to a good start. We still got that same gravity effect stringing there. We're up over that halfway point. Oh! And once again, gravity won. So now I need your help. What I tell my engineering students, you don't always get it right the first time you design. When you test, you fail, then you have to iterate. So how would you solve this? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and your ideas might just be the next experiment. And that's episode 1 of the Drip King experiments. Coming up next, we've got episodes on upside down pyramids, fully 3D printed rockets, and what I actually do with all those failed prints. So hit subscribe so you don't miss it. This is Drip King, and we're just getting started.